The Andonstar AD407 Digital Microscope delivers crisp, ultra-high-definition imaging on a generous 7-inch screen, making tiny solder joints and component markings easy to inspect without eye strain. Its solid metal construction, from the lens to the focusing barrel and stand, gives a precise, smooth focusing feel and holds alignment well, even with frequent height adjustments. Dual display output over HDMI lets you work from the built-in screen while mirroring the view to a larger monitor, which is especially helpful for teaching, collaboration, or detailed board analysis. The spacious adjustable stand and integrated ultraviolet filter make this microscope particularly well suited to soldering work, protecting the optics from heat, fumes, and stray flux. Flexible side-mounted light sources with multiple brightness levels allow you to control reflections and shadows, so fine traces, pads, and hairline cracks stand out clearly. Convenient features like wireless remote control and micro-secure digital card recording turn the AD407 into a versatile workstation for capturing still images and video of electronics repairs and other close-up projects.